Hi folks, welcome to Small World Layouts. My name's Jules. This time we're looking at the lighting on Bearhunt, my N-gauge pizza layout. I wanted the lighting to complement the narrative of the layout, as well as the more obvious street and house lighting. They all got connected and soldered, not very well I'm afraid, to a 15-way D-sub connector plug. I did find this quite tricky, I've got to say. I wanted to build my own controller, as I quite like these very inexpensive PCB speed controllers. Links in the description. The speed control and lights were powered by two 12-volt plugs. I added some DC plug connectors for tidying up and ease connectivity. I put the D plug in a proper shroud and built the rest of the controller box, although you can get 3D printed ones online. Neat enough, and all with plywood that I had lying around in the shed. But onto the stars, or should I say lights, of the show. I've used these type of street lights on most of my layouts, so I like the style and the scale. Nice soft light too. I like the idea of the bear being a bit dark and hidden away, but then the pose of this knock figure gave me the idea that he could hold a torch. A tiny 2mm LED that I wired around his body and repainted in an attempt to sort of hide the wires away. Here in super close-up you can hardly even see the LED until it's switched on. If we zoom out, you can see how it does make the scene something different. Returning back to the cave, we can take a look at another of the lighting effects on Bearhunt. I had some of these flashing red firebox style LEDs and thought it would be quite effective to have one in the cave behind the bear. Combined with a torch, I think it works rather well. And the second of the street lamps. There it goes. Initially, I had a little problem with the bungalow lighting. I used a wired grain of rice bulb that grew a bit hot and added roof ventilation where I really didn't want roof ventilation, as featured in this TikTok video I did at the time.
Thought I could smell melting.
Oh. No. There's a light somewhere that it just shouldn't be. But one quick re-roof later, and all was well again. Not to mention watertight. And finally, the main lighting for the layout itself. Now, my little son gave me a selfie light, phone holder and microphone 3-in-1 video streaming stand. Catchy title. And he wrote, it's got 3 different light settings, and even with the shed lights on, I think it really enhances the look of the layout without being too obtrusive. Thanks, son. All links to the lighting featured in this video are in the description below. None of it's affiliated or sponsored. Thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for future presentations.